Tad's helping me make a bar out of the old piano we found in the original house, but it is really heavy.
Okay, I think your brake is off on all your wheels now. There we go, that should be off.
Oh!
Let it go, let it go, let it go!
Are you okay?
Yeah. Are you okay?
Yeah,
Here,
let's get a
put
piece
some
of wood.
blocks.
Get it.
Tad,
Get one on my other side. Yep, just go.
can you get your leg out?
Yep.
Are you sure? Ow!
Are you okay?
Ow. I make sure all the wheels are unlocked. I move it an inch and Are you leg?
Yeah, no, I'm good. I'm good.
But as it turns out, I'm gonna lose a nail. That's gonna happen. And Tad might lose a leg.
Yeah, my leg might fall off. Hopefully not. I really am attached to this leg like it's attached to me.
All right, we just take these off.
Yeah?
We stand it up. We carry it over. We put it in. Done.
Okay, yep.
No more casters.
Sounds good.
I don't want to make this thing any heavier than it is. So I'll wait till we get it in the house.
Oh, yeah.
Then I'll put the marble top on, and it'll be done.
Here we go. We didn't name her. What's the hard-headed woman's name?
Name her Killer.
Killer. Killer.
She won this round, but
did.
we'll win the next.
We got it up, so
Yeah.
technically we won.
This Olive Street house has come a long way. We installed a metal roof on the porch to really play into the farmhouse vibe. Mom gave the front yard a little color, and now we are ready to show the place off. We've got an open house scheduled for tomorrow.
Oh, good gravy. It's okay, Mina, I got it, don't worry.
This is a very stately home, so we wanted to accent it with some clean, sleek furniture, but also make it feel homey with rustic wood and texture. So it's gonna have a comfy, lived-in feel that hopefully buyers will be able to picture themselves in.
What are you doing in there? Are you drinking?
No.
What are you doing?
Lining
Get
it
in the
all
hole.
up.
Get in the hole. I think we should turn. Where am I going?
I think we may have made this place a little too cozy.
Oh, poor baby.
Dude, growing a baby, there's a whole tiny human in here. It is tiring.
This is sweet little baby.
I think that's an excuse. I didn't nap this much when I was pregnant.
There.
Hello?
Oh, Beth.
Karen.
Hello, hello, hello.
Okay, you asked for it.
I did ask for
Are
it.
you ready?
So, when we walked through this house the first time, there was a snake here.
Is it a Mom, get away!
There's another snake right here. Crocky, mate. Look at that spacey right there.
I asked Beth to paint a snake.
Okay, tell me when I can look.
You can look.
Oh, my.
She's speechless.
When I was first looking at it, the snake was sort of pointing at me. And I was like, yeah.
It's aggressive.
And then I looked at it from the other direction, and all of a sudden, I was pulled in. The colors are perfect, I feel like. We take this, and we put the snake over the piano so that everything we found in the house, it's gonna look perfect there. I love his face, and I love the movement. I think it pays homage to the snake really well, without having an actual real
Thank
snake.
goodness.
Stare, stare, stare. Okay, okay. The most important thing we're doing today is having poor Tad and Austin and Corey carry that heavy piano in straight on back.
It's probably the heaviest thing I've ever moved.
Watch out for the wall.
I got it.
Okay.
You know, Mina hasn't been here for any of the piano stuff. None of it.
Get out while you can. No,
I got it,
you're
I
just
got it.
part of it.
I live here now.
I feel like it's like work smarter, not harder. I don't know what I'm doing desk work. Very important things that are not carrying a piano.
Put these guys.
Super cute.
Has to go right there. Yep.
I love
It looks
this.
really good with the piano too. The metals are just right.
Would you like a cocktail, man?
I would like it. Do we have some real cocktails?
Up, ladies?
Hey, buddy.
Hey.
Josh stopped by after we had the first floor pretty much pulled together.
That is amazing.
What do
Do
you
you like
think?
it?
I can't believe that.
That was actually extreme excitement from him at this point. He said, wow.
That's about as elevated as Josh gets, though.
This is just unbelievable.
So you dig it so far?
I like it. This is kind of blows me away. but now we need to sell it. So I'll let you guys get back to it so we can get a buyer in here.
Later.
Thank you.
Thank you, Josh. Here we go. Wait a minute. That needs to come off. Okay.
Today, we're having an open house at our house on Olive. So we're just gonna bring some people through and show it off, see how they like it. And who knows, maybe we'll snag an offer today. This house was a big investment for us and our partner, Josh. It was purchased for $150,000, and after some major hiccups along the way, the renovation cost crept up to $200,000. The house is listed at $490,000, which means after closing costs and fees, it could bring a profit of $130,000. That's a big payday, but this is also the most expensive house we've ever done, so hopefully the risk pays off in the end. When we got this house, the front porch was caving in. Poured a new porch, nice white siding, new windows, got a little metal roof to mix it up a bit, and voila.
Oh, wow, look at this.
I love the white.
Look at this.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
It's so pretty.
When you first walked in, this was a wall here, a wall there, so it was like a separate room, a separate room. So opening up that
I really like
made
that it's open here.
a big difference.
Oh my gosh, this is to die for.
Wow, I love this.
This is beautiful.
Wine cellar.
How cool is that? It came out really well.
Yeah, and then this piano was actually in the house.
Oh my gosh.
Took all the parts out, and then Mom put it back together as a bar.
Oh,
Still
man.
has all the strings.
It still makes music.
So that was the one thing that was in the house, and then
That is not the one thing.
well of note.
That is one of the things.
yes.
of note.
There were two things of
In
note.
fact, right now you're standing where the other thing of note was. There's an actual snake there, a live snake. I am not kidding you.
It's creeping me out.
Oh, look, it's moving.
Have we gotten rid of the snakes?
Oh, my.
That is our belief,
Good.
yes.
You like a house without
Been
snakes.
through every
you know?
corner of the house, no snakes. So we had our friend Beth make a snake painting for
That's
us.
so cool.
Kind of an homage to that.
Yeah. And then these cabinet tops are floor joists out of the house.
Gorgeous.
A little rustic, a little chic.
Yeah. Wow, this is fantastic. Like, this is
Yeah.
right up my alley.
Let's go into the kitchen.
Wow, this is so pretty.
I love this countertop. This is nice.
Marble.
I love how open it is, and we've always wanted a kitchen where you can see the other things going on, and
Yeah.
that's the one thing that we really want.